Hi everyone, this video is to unbox Mecca Beauty Loop Level 2. This is Romeo and I'm Romeo Mama. Let's do it together. So, let's open it. I haven't seen it. First item I can see is this one. What is it? Briogeo Farewell Freeze. I think it's for what? It's for what? It's a milk leave-in conditioner spray. So it's a, let me smell it. Yup, smell like coconut. Oh, Rosaco milk leave-in conditioner. Second item. Oh, it's an eyeshadow pen. Quite smooth. It's like a very light pink. It's wearable and it's quite shimmery. So it's quite smooth. Maybe I can try it on my eyes. Here. I don't think the colors are showing. Yeah, eyeshadow stick. I think it's just a shimmery metallic base. This one I got no eyeshadow. This I got eyeshadow. Is there different? I don't see a difference, but I can see it in here. It's really like just a shadow. Oh, it's already on. It's already on. Third item. Much brighter skin, hydrate and brightening. Go-to brand. I never heard of this brand. Pea Serum. It's a serum for face, neck, avoiding the eyes. After cleansing in the morning. So use that in the morning. And follow with SPF. So it's just like this. I can just open it. And then to feel the texture. Ooh, not much in the pack, but it's those yellowy mucus. Sorry, yellowy serum. Smells okay, but the texture is like it's like mucus. Sorry. Okay. Not bad. Next, the Labo is the perfume. Centel 33. Put it here, Centel 33. Oh, that's small. That's the perfume I've got. So that's all I've got. Conditioning spray, eyeshadow pen, what's that, the tiny little perfume, tiny little perfume here, and a pack of serum. Okay, that's all I have for today's video. I upload new videos every week, and every time if Mecca got a box, I will try to run to the store and film the video and share what's inside ASAP. So subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video is helpful, whether to run to the store to get it or just let it go this time, it's up to you. Okay, see you next time and bye.